Hey YouTube, this is Review Riot. A few days ago I posted a shorts video showing you how you can set up a shortcut that could literally save your life. However, a few people commented something like this and they said that they were having some problems. So I'm going to show you the problem that people were having, and I'm also going to show you how to fix it. So first thing we're going to do is find our shortcuts app, and so I'm just going to do it this way. And there we go, we have shortcuts, and then you'll see three options at the bottom right here. So tap on the one that says gallery, the one on the very far right, and then you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to write the word access, so ACCESS, and then you'll see this option right here pop up. It's called shortcuts for accessibility, so tap on that, and then after that you're going to scroll down and you will see help message, so tap on help message, and then you're going to add shortcut, and then right here is going to ask you to tap the plus sign right here so you can add a contact. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm just going to type my emergency contact, right? So I select that and then I hit done. So now the shortcut is added already. Now the next thing you're going to do is go to my shortcuts and then tap on these three little dots on the top right hand side. So you tap on that and then you're going to see all of this, right? So what you're going to do is allow access to your location, and then you're going to also go down to where it says messages and allow access to send messages, and then hit OK. So you hit done. So after that, what you're going to do is go back to your home screen, and then you're going to swipe and then go at the very bottom right here and tap on edit. We're going to add a widget right here, and then tap on the plus sign on the top right, and then you're going to scroll down until you see shortcuts. So we're going to go down and there we go. So shortcuts, and you'll see the help message. So you're going to tap on add widget, and I just like to put it at the very top. So there we go. So now what happens is that if there is an emergency, you just swipe on your phone and then you tap this, right? But the error that people were getting was that as soon as you tap that, it's going to ask you who you want to send the message to. So that kind of defeats the purpose of this whole one tap emergency thing. So to fix this, what we can actually do is go back to your shortcuts, and then we're going to tap on these three little dots, and then you will see a bunch of things right here. So this is a message that you can actually customize, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. So instead of saying context, just tap on it, and then we're going to clear it. And then we're going to tap on it again, and then you're going to look for your contact again, and it's going to look like so. And then you're going to hit done, okay? And then instead of contacts, now you'll see that it'll say your actual contact that you selected. So you're going to tap on done, and that's it. So now next time you swipe and then you tap the help message, the help message is actually going to show message sent to your contact. You see that? So you don't have to choose your recipient anymore or anything like that. So anyway, that's it. That's how you can fix the problem. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you later. Peace.